Turn your creativity into Robux and support your favorite PLS donate creators by mastering the art of Game Pass creation. First, launch PLS Donate and head to your donation booth. You'll notice a button that says Manage Booth. Click on this. Inside the Manage Booth menu, find and click the button that says Create Game Pass. This is where the magic happens. You'll be directed to the Roblox Create page, and more specifically, to the Game Passes section for PLS Donate. Here, you'll find a button to create a Game Pass. Now, let's design your masterpiece. Give your Game Pass a catchy and descriptive name. Think about what it offers and what players would want for the description. Be clear and enticing. Explain the benefits or unique features your Game Pass provides finally. And most importantly, upload an eye-catching image. This is your Game Pass's visual identity, so make it pop. Think about what unique items or boosts players might want in PLS. Donate may be a special animation, a visual flair for their booth, or even a little extra in-game currency. If the game allows, the more appealing your image and description, the more likely people are to buy. Once your Game Pass is created, click on it to go to its configuration page. Look for an option to configure or edit, and then find the Sales tab. This is where you'll set your price. Toggle on Item for Sale. Now, you can set the price in Robux. Consider the effort you put in and what similar Game Passes are selling for. Start with a reasonable price, and you can always adjust it later. And that's it. Your Game Pass is now live and ready to be sold in PLS. Donate players visiting your booth will see your amazing creation and can purchase it to support you, earning you those valuable Robux. So go forth, get creative, and transform your PLS Donate experience into a rewarding venture.